Hello! In this exciting video, follow the process of creating a beautiful Montessori-style dog using marine plywood. You will see our CNC machine working precisely, carefully cutting the marine plywood and color PVC to create the perfect pieces for the dog. Enjoy the entire manufacturing and assembly process, without the need to show faces, allowing the art and creativity of the CNC machine to shine. This video is perfect for those who appreciate craftsmanship, woodworking, and the smart use of CNC technology. As the CNC machine continues to work its magic, precision and artistry come together to create each intricate detail of the dog. The smooth movements and flawless cuts of the CNC make the entire process mesmerizing to watch. We take immense pride in our work and are thrilled to share this captivating creation with all of you. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of masterful craftsmanship, this video is sure to leave you inspired and in awe. We hope this glimpse into the world of CNC machining and woodworking encourages you to embark on your own creative journey. With the CNC's incredible capabilities, the possibilities for unique and stunning projects are endless. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of artistry, technology, and creativity. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content in the future. Stay tuned for our upcoming projects and happy crafting.